Something unusual is happening to men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s, and it's not showing up in the headlines. Men who just months ago were struggling with low energy, weaker erections, and endless nighttime bathroom trips are quietly turning things around. No new drug, no expensive therapy, no risky surgery. Instead, a strange, almost forgotten remedy that's been around for centuries, hiding in plain sight in kitchens and medicine chests all over the world. Garlic and castor oil. Why would these two humble ingredients do what high-priced treatments often can't? And if the answer has been here all along, why haven't you heard about it until now? Today, I'll show you what's behind this quiet transformation and why it could still work for you, no matter your age. Let's be honest, my friend. Aging is not always the smooth ride we were promised. For many men, it feels like the body quietly changes the rules without asking permission. Erections aren't as strong. Nights are interrupted by those frustrating bathroom trips. Energy dips faster than it used to, and recovery from even a light workout can feel slower than molasses. I see this every week in my clinic. Men come in, smart, capable, proud men, but underneath their calm surface, there's a quiet frustration. Not because they've let themselves go, but because no one told them how to navigate these changes without feeling like they're losing themselves. You've probably tried a thing or two already, maybe a supplement you saw online or a tip from a friend, only to feel disappointed. You don't want gimmicks. You want solutions that respect your dignity and work with your body, not against it. And here's where our story really begins. Because the answer might not be in the pharmacy aisle at all. Long before pharmacies and glossy pill bottles, men had to rely on the wisdom of the land and each other. I remember visiting a small farming village years ago where the men worked the fields well into their 70s. Their hands were calloused, their backs straight, and their energy seemed untouched by time. One evening, over a simple meal, an old farmer leaned toward me and said, "Doctor, the secret isn't in the store, it's in the kitchen." He opened a small jar and poured a golden liquid, castor oil, into his palm, then pointed to a bowl of freshly crushed garlic. It was his nightly ritual, passed down from his father and from his father before him. In those villages, garlic wasn't just food, it was life, keeping blood flowing, keeping joints loose, keeping the man strong where it mattered most. And castor oil? That was the quiet helper, soothing the body from the inside out. It wasn't magic, but it worked. And now, science is starting to explain why. Now, I know what you might be thinking. That sounds nice, but does it actually work? Let's break it down in plain English. Garlic is nature's little powerhouse. When you crush it, it releases a compound that helps your blood vessels relax and open up. Think of it like clearing the highway so traffic, in this case blood, can move freely. Better circulation means your heart works easier, your prostate gets more oxygen and nutrients, and yes, your erections can be stronger. Garlic is also a natural anti-inflammatory. It helps calm swelling, including in the prostate, which can reduce that constant urge to run to the bathroom. Now, castor oil is different but equally impressive. It's rich in something called ricinoleic acid, which helps reduce inflammation and supports healthy lymph flow. That's your body's drainage system, keeping waste moving out and nutrients moving in. Put them together, and you've got a natural duo that works like a cleanup crew for your lower body, improving blood flow, calming inflammation, and quietly helping things work the way they used to. But knowing how it works is only half the story. Now, here's the part you've been waiting for, how to actually use this in real life. And don't worry, it's simpler than making your morning tea. For internal use, take 2 to 3 fresh garlic cloves, peel and crush them to release their natural compounds. Let them sit for a minute, then mix with 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed castor oil. Swallow with a glass of water, preferably in the morning. If the idea of swallowing garlic makes you wince, there's another way. Warm a small amount of castor oil in your hands, add just a drop or two of garlic-infused oil, and gently massage it over the lower abdomen or groin area. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. Many men prefer this topical method because it's gentler on the stomach. A quick but important note, if you're on blood-thinning medication, have bleeding issues, or chronic stomach problems, check with your doctor first. Start small, listen to your body. This isn't about forcing quick changes, it's about steady, lasting improvement. If you decide to give this a try, I want you to know exactly what to look for, and just as importantly, when to expect it. In the first week or two, you might notice small but encouraging changes. Your digestion feels smoother, your energy is a little more steady, and perhaps you're sleeping more comfortably through the night. By week 3 or 4, many men report feeling warmer in their hands and feet, a sign that circulation is improving. You may also notice fewer urgent trips to the bathroom, especially at night. Stick with it for 1 to 3 months, and that's when the deeper changes can really begin to show. Better stamina, stronger and more reliable erections, and a calmer, less irritated prostate. Now, every man's body responds differently. Some see changes sooner, others take a bit longer. The key is patience. This is about giving your body the tools it needs to repair and strengthen itself, naturally. And while this mix can do a lot, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Let's put that piece into the bigger picture next. I want you to think of garlic and castor oil as part of your team, not the whole game plan. They work best when you give your body the other things it needs to thrive. Take a simple walk each day, 20 to 30 minutes. It gets your blood pumping, strengthens your heart, and keeps those arteries flexible. Add in light strength training a couple of times a week. Push-ups against the wall, light dumbbells, even lifting grocery bags. To keep your muscles and testosterone levels steady, hydrate well and fill your plate with colorful vegetables, healthy proteins, and good fats. Small daily choices like these create the foundation for better circulation, hormonal balance, and prostate health. The truth is, men who combine natural remedies with smart lifestyle habits often see results far beyond what either could do alone. It's like giving your body both the spark and the fuel. And here's the best part. None of this is about turning back the clock. It's about making your next years stronger, steadier, and more vibrant than you thought possible. Now, let's bring it all together. If there's one thing I want you to take from this, it's this. Your best years are not behind you. You're not too old to feel strong, to enjoy intimacy, or to wake up with energy that carries you through the day. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s make remarkable changes, not because they found a magic pill, but because they chose to give their body the natural support it's been quietly asking for all along. This garlic and castor oil mix may seem humble, but when paired with small, consistent lifestyle steps, it can become part of a powerful turnaround. So, here's my gentle challenge. Try it for a few weeks. See how your body responds. Notice the small wins. A stronger morning, a steadier night's sleep, a bit more spring in your step. And if you find this helpful, share your journey in the comments. Your story could be the spark that helps another man reclaim his vitality. Subscribe if you'd like more natural, dignified men's health solutions, because this journey is just beginning.